Sometimes birds take off all at once. The sky is calm. No wind, no thunder. Yet they flee. It feels like they know something we don't. Long before any tornado warning or radar alert, these birds already sense what's coming. Scientists discovered they can hear infrasound, low-frequency waves that humans can't detect, created by massive storms forming miles away. When they pick it up, they escape instantly, flying hundreds of kilometers in a single night. They can even feel sudden drops in air pressure. So when the birds disappear, maybe the storm has already whispered its warning.